Hello and welcome to Deerfield Windsor Middle and Upper Schools Media Center. Please listen to your Media Center orientation. What you learn here will prevent you from crashing and burning like I did. Mrs. Baker, the media specialist, and Mrs. Lenz, the media assistant, are here to steer you in the right direction. They will help you find answers to research questions as well as find books for checkout. Each student entering the Media Center must have an individual pass stating his or her purpose for being here. This Media Center serves students in grades 6 through 12. You may notice that most of our books are labeled with either a MG, MG Plus or a UG sticker. Books with MG and MG Plus are appropriate for middle school students. Middle school students must have parental permission to read books that are labeled UG. These books are more appropriate for students in grades 9 through 12. Our fiction books are located on the taller bookshelves, and the non-fiction books are located on the shorter bookshelves. Remember, fiction books are made-up stories and non-fiction books are informational books and are arranged by the Dewey Decimal Classification System. You have 2 weeks to read a book before it is due. If you haven't finished with it within 2 weeks' time, you may renew it. You will be charged a fine if you keep the book longer than 2 weeks without renewing it. The fine for overdue books is 50 cents a day. At Deerfield Windsor we have a birthday book club. If you are a member of the birthday book club, you will get the opportunity to choose a book from a selection of new books to be your birthday book. A book plate with your name and birthday will be added to the book. This book will be placed in the library to be enjoyed by all. Students in the birthday book club also get a treat on their birthday. Those who joined the birthday book club in previous years are automatically members this year. If you are interested in joining the birthday book club, please see Mrs. Lentz or Mrs. Baker for a form. This is a great way to help strengthen our library collection. Hopefully now you can safely negotiate our Media Center. We look forward to seeing you often in the Media Center throughout this school year.